Howdy and welcome to the cave. It's great to have you back. I'm Mark and you're watching Blue Street Customs. Hey guys, back again with some more mail. Not sure what's in them. Have a clue, but not sure. We got Sweden, and we got 2 from China. So, since we got 2 from China, now I know I'm expecting a bunch of stuff coming in, but who knows when it comes in? We're talking about China here, right? So, let's crack these open and see what we got. Ah, yes. Okay. Not sure why they did that. Here we got some new soldering tips. Different styles. So I can do a few different things. A whole bunch of different styles and tips. What's nice about these, they already come pre-tinned. And that would be for this. There's a whole bunch of different styles in here. Bag inside of a bag. I don't know if you can see that. There are pointed ones, flat ones, tapered ones. So, that'll be awesome. I can do some more soldering projects. You should let me know if you guys want to see me do any projects. I do all kinds of things. I build LED cubes. This one here is an RGB micro or Arduino Nano, completely hand built. That one's not finished. But let me know if you're interested in seeing me do some of the projects. And here, I think these are probably just white. They're LED strips. Come in a nice static package. I'll even give you a quick test here. Power up the homemade power supply. Bring up some wires here. Now I've got this set to 12 volt. I do believe I ordered white. And so it is. I think they're both white. These are 5 meter length, bright white. I think I ordered 2 white ones. And they are both white. These here, if I remember correctly, they are supposed to be just over 4,000 lumens. So that's what we got in the first package. So I'll put those with the rest of my LEDs. Don't need that anymore. Now, Switzerland. I think it's time for a new knife blade. And Switzerland, we got Fantasy Village War World Gaming. Now, I didn't get this stuff. Wish I did, but it's not what I got. So if you want to check them out, they have very good prices. Well, www.wwcnix.com. See if you can focus on that. Hopefully you can. I'll put a link in the description though. They've got some awesome stuff. Static grass. Mild meadow, 6mm. Patchy, 4mm. Nice color. Got a little brown, a little tiny bit of yellow and gold. This one's the same, little lighter color, some greens and stuff in there. Different length. Dead grass, 4mm. Again, they're all just slightly different. This one looks pretty darn close to exactly the same. This one has more yellow in it. Autumn. So it's dark green, but it's got some reds and some browns, light browns in there. A little bit of yellows. And that's 4mm. Then we got a big bag of 2mm spring grass. A lot of yellows and greens. Right on. So now you'll have to hit the bell icon to make sure you get notified of my videos, because this stuff's going to be getting used on the landscaping for my water wheel sawmill. While you're at it, might as well hit subscribe. Hit the like button. That helps out YouTube. Tell other people that this is a good channel to watch. Wait till the guys on Discord see this stuff. You should check that out. Tabletop Dungeoneers. I'll put a link in the description for that too. Those are a bunch of great guys. Fun to chat with. They do live shows. We do crafting. We do 3D printing. We do all kinds of stuff. All kinds of stuff. There's RC. You know. You gotta check it out. It's fun. Hey, last pack here. See what we got. Ah, yes. Leaked a little bit. That's why it's got such a funky smell. So what we got here, let's take out this one. This one, let's grab a paper towel here. So what we got here is UV resin. Cures with UV light. Curable crystal resin. Clear epoxy resin, UV. They're 30ml bottles each. These here I bought from Amazon. So again, all this stuff, I can put links in the description. Let you know where I got it. I got 3 of these. And they cure with UV light. Now, this UV light, I made this. It started out as just a white light. I took it all apart, put the UV lights in it. Works great. Got these from the dollar store. UV light LEDs that I put in, I got from banggood.com. I could put a link in the description for that. It's not part of the mail time, but hey, you know what? It is part of the mail time because of this stuff. So yeah, got 3 of these. I'm going to clean them up though, because obviously one leaked. Doesn't seem to have leaked very much. Not very much in the bottle, but I'll make sure to clean them all up. So yeah, pretty excited to have this stuff. I got a project for the LED lights, soldering tips, well, I just needed them. Static grass for all my projects, but mainly I got it for my water wheel sawmill. So again, make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Hit that bell icon so you can get notified of when I post videos. Go check out Tabletop Dungeoneers Discord. Awesome place to sit, chat, throw ideas around at each other, even just joke and have fun. So, until next time, later.